Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a new canvas in your Obsidian Notes application, Vault or workspace. So let us guide you through this. So launch the Obsidian Notes app on your desktop or laptop, then navigate to the Vault/workspace in the bottom left. And next guys, what you want to do is you may navigate to a folder, for example, right click into it and select new canvas, or you can click anywhere you like here, right click to create a new canvas without assigning it to a specific folder. So I will go with this option, click into a new canvas. The new canvas will be untitled, so if you right click into it, you may rename it here and give it a name, I don't know, my canvas 1 or something like that, and press enter, and then you will see the canvas here to the right, so that you may, for example, insert media from your workspace and Vault, or like images and videos and Word documents. Then you may add notes as well as cards from your Vault to it. And for example, guys, if I click into this button, I will be given the opportunity to start add a new card, like in a like for example, in applications such as Jira, for instance. So you can create these cards and type in text into here into that field, delete the card, change its color, or edit it, for example, and then create another one. Let me, for example, add a note. Click into this option, position the note, and then choose a note from your directory. So let me add the welcome note here, and you can also position the note here on your canvas. You will see these guides here, for instance, for orientation, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.